Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and in today's video we're going to be going over the song A Life Worth Dying For by Josiah Queen. This song will be played in the key of A, which is original key. You'll have your capo, put it on the 2nd fret. Before we get started, if you guys can do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button, it really does help me out. The song starts key of A, playing G shapes. Starts with a C chord. So it does that little instrumental at the very beginning. So it starts with a C, right? So if you can just see, I did make a video on finger picking. If you guys need help with finger picking, you can go check that out. For this song, we're gonna be finger picking with we're gonna be using these 3 fingers, and then we're gonna go to your G, and then we're gonna go to the E minor, which right, and then the last chord, which is D. So C, G, E minor, and then D. And then it starts right away. After that, it starts right away with the verse 1. I wanna know you, not just about you. I've been slowly burning down, and at my lowest, you're in these moments. You're there to pull me out. Found a reason. And then we go into the pre-chorus. Before that, we're gonna go ahead and show the strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern is gonna be doing that strumming pattern. So it's down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Okay? So it's gonna be repeating that down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Obviously, we're going to be speeding it up a little bit, and also we're going to be muted for the first verse. So, same strumming pattern, just kind of keep it. And then we'll go ahead into the pre-chorus, right? So the pre-chorus starts is going to be the same progression the whole song. So the only thing that changes is the dynamics. For this part, there are some hits where they go, I found a reason, keep on breathing, keep on keeping on. This life I found meaning, I found a glimpse of hope. I want to, and then we'll go into chorus, right? So, yes, the hits is just 2 down strums on C. I found a reason to your G chord. Keep on breathing to the E minor. Keep on keeping on. And then 1 strum on the D. After that, once you play that 1 time, you're going to go back to the strumming pattern we went over already. This life is fleeting, and I found meaning, found a glimpse of hope. And then it ends on that C chord, right? I'm slowing it down a bit, but it's gonna be the same progression, same strumming pattern for the second half of the pre-chorus, and then it ends on the C chord, right? On that C chord, we're gonna go into the chorus. I want to live a life worth dying. You gave your son, so I'll give my life. The chorus, right? So chorus, very simple. We're gonna be doing single strums. I want to live a life worth dying. You gave your son, so I'll give my life. And then it goes back to the verse 2. So for the verse 2, it's the same idea as verse 1, but there is a small change. Is instead of doing the instead of doing the strumming pattern, we're gonna be doing finger picking. So kind of like the intro is the same thing as the intro, obviously, but it's the verse 1. So a small little example, right, is so every minute that I'm alive, every breath is borrowed time, life's a vapor, na na na, right? So that's gonna be the verse 2. And once towards the end of verse 2, it starts to build on the I wasted all on you, Lord. Right, so it builds up on the very end of verse 2, going back into the chorus, right? I want to live a life worth dying. You gave your son, I'll give my life. And it goes right into that little instrumental part. But yeah, so that second chorus, you're going full strumming. And then, so after you do the chorus for the second time, it's gonna go into the verse again, right? So after the chorus, right, I want to live a life worth dying, you gave your son, right? And then it's gonna go to the O's, right? So and then it kind of like slows down a little bit for that verse, right? So from the O's is gonna go into the finger style, and then it kind of ends on the D right there, and then it starts to build again, leading back. So after that first part of the verse, so I found a reason to keep on breathing, to keep on keeping on. This life is fleeting, but I found meaning, I found a glimpse of hope. And then it goes back to the chorus, doing single strums, okay? And then it does that one time, right? And then it switches back to the faster strumming, right? Then after that chorus, then it goes back to the O's, and it kind of just repeats that last chorus, repeats normally, right? So yes, that's pretty much it for this song. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and please leave a comment. I greatly appreciate it. This song is pretty dynamic, but chord wise it's pretty simple, so it just might take you a little time to get that strumming pattern, practice it, get used to it, get familiar with it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys for sticking around to the end. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.